Problem number 4.
Clap.
The Super Ferry ship is traveling 45 miles per hour north of the Philippines, while the Negros navigation ship is traveling 30 miles per hour west of the Philippines. What time will the two ships be 900 miles apart if they both depart from the same point at 2:16 p.m.? Understand the problem. We understand the problem by putting all the important details as follows. We knew that there are two ships which will be leaving the same point in a separate way or opposite direction at 2:16 p.m. Ferry is going to north with a rate of 45 miles per hour, while the Negros navigation is moving to west with a rate of 30 miles per hour. In this problem, we are asked to find the time which will these two ships be 900 miles apart. So let T be the time when two ships is 900 miles apart. Devise a plan. After evaluating and examining this problem, we come up with the best strategy, and that is using the drawing and the Pythagorean formula. We knew that Silver Ferry is heading northern part of the Philippines with a rate of 45 miles per hour, while the Negros navigation ship is moving towards the western part of the Philippines with a rate of 30 miles per hour. These two ships started their journey at 2:16 p.m. After a certain time, the two ships will be 900 miles apart. Definitely, this figure will show us that we can apply a Pythagorean theorem which states that c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Carry out the plan. We're going to use all the details on how we plan the problem. So let's now use the formula as follow. So we know c refers to 900 miles, so we can substitute as 900 square equals a square is, it could be Negros or it could be Ferry. In this case, we're going to use the Negros as our A. Okay, square plus 45 miles per hour. Since we are asked to solve for the time, we're going to put t inside of this parenthesis, 30t square, 45t square. That is this 900, and we're going to compute it. That is 900 t square plus square of 45 is 2025 t square. That is the 900. Okay, so 900 plus this, it becomes 2925 t square. Since we are asked to solve for t, then we're going to square root both sides. So we have square root of 900 square equals square root of 2925 t square. So cancel, so we have now 900. Here t, cancel the square of t. Then 2925 square root is 54.08, rounded up to the nearest hundreds. Then we're going to divide both sides by 54.08 to get the value of t. And so the t value here, or the time which these two ships will be 900 miles apart, is 16.64 hours. Okay, so let's convert 0.64 as minutes. So by simply multiply the 64 by 60 minutes, then we have 39 minutes. Round up the one's value so that we can have now 39 minutes. Therefore, if they started leaving the same point at 2:16 p.m., we're going to add it to the 16 hours and 39 minutes. We can have this time 6 and 55 a.m. How? From 2 p.m. to 12 a.m. we need 10 hours. So since 16 hours, we still have 6 hours. So just add it, we have 6 a.m. But there are 16 minutes and 39 minutes. Add it up, so we have now 55 a.m. Therefore, the time which these two ships will be 900 miles apart will be the next day at the time of 6:55 a.m. That is how we solve problem number 4.